Hello all, and welcome back to some more Resident Evil 5. I've been away from this for a whole, probably like, what, 2 days? Uh,
Resident Evil.
I have been slightly dreading coming back to this. The game has not been pissing me off all the more than maybe a couple times. Like, not even, I wouldn't even call when I first, like, died from Sheva, like, too rage-inducing. It's just, it was enough. It reminded me why I've never really enjoyed this too much. But I've been trying to get back into obligating myself to, at times, obligating myself to beat games, because I just don't beat games anymore. What's new to buy? Oh, well, don't you... Wait, I have picked up the sniper, okay. I'm gonna use the money to upgrade my older stuff. Oh, I have treasures. I have treasures. Oh. Wait a second. Not details. Can I still combine treasures to... Well, I'll just find out eventually. Actually, wait. Go back down. Go back down. Okay. No. No, I'm sure it's... once your health gets down to a certain point, that's when Sheva would trigger the, first aid spray. I just still am convinced that I would use it better. So you know what? I will do this. Organize. You get a green herb. I get the first aid spray. I keep thinking that to back out to get the... There you go. Alright. Now, organize again. I forgot. Upgrade. No, upgrade the... No, upgrade. What do I upgrade? One of hers? Nope, nope. Okay, let's say firepower. And then for me, I'm gonna give myself... What can I do? Let's say to upgrade the reload speed. Oh, I could have done... Well, I can eventually do that. Wait. Didn't cost that much, apparently. Huh. Well, so, okay, sure, I want to save up to get the critical percentile. Alright. Are we ready? You can't just buy ammo, right? I can get a melee vest. Okay. I mean, I'm sure you could buy a weapon, then get like a full clip of ammo, but that'd be kind of a waste of money. Okay. What's wrong?
Are you okay?
I'm slightly more okay now that you're here. Oh, sorry. That was the first aid. I still don't like you, Sheva. Cool. Whoa, what? That was unnecessary. That's right. Did I just step on him? Oh, well, thank you, Sheva. Well. Okay, they don't yet do their head thing like in RE4. I was thinking one of those was gonna pop out. A chainsaw? What were they doing here? Probably chainsawing. What's this axe here? Were they axing something? Were they asking a question? I'm sure I missed something back here somewhere. I'm not sure how... yeah. I'm not sure how audio work exactly. But, let me see if I can give her some of my ammo. Just don't give her the whole thing. Like... Okay, fine. I'll reload this. Right. I need to use my quick select more often. Then I'll give her the ammo.
Thanks.
See, I'm trying to play nice with her. I just still don't like her. Down shotgun and... Okay, cool. Alright. I don't understand how audio and video work. It's weird that the V-Sync problems don't seem to come up on the video playback. Because in the heat of the moment, I don't want to... Well, if I give it to her, she'll just use it now. Probably. I just don't want to have to fiddle with my inventory at the last minute during a battle. See, like right now. Like, she takes it, though.
Roger.
Because she has the rifle.
Take it.
Roger.
I just don't want that to happen too much. And here's the part that yeah. Ever since I saw these things an episode or two ago, I was like, I am dreading this part right here. I can probably just run away from this one.
Kirk, what's going on? Come in, Kirk.
Oh, there's two of them over there. I'm right there with you, friendo. Oh, hey, hey. Yeah, you were there just to spawn another one of those fuckers. Well, shit. Yeah.
I'll cover you from up here.
Oh. That was very smart. Just push through. I'm being a good boy. Oh no! 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 Okay, I need to bring out. Okay. Okay. Excusez-moi. 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 God damn it. Okay, that's it. You guys are getting the shotgun treatment. Shotgun. Shotgun. Oh no! Oh, hello, Sheva. Oh boy. Is there one in here? Okay, probably not. No, 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 no! I'm probably missing a lot of ammo doing this, but... Okay, yeah, let's keep going. Whew! What am I missing down here on the second? Oh, shit, yes. What am I missing down here? Equip. Alright! No, well, she could have picked that up instead. Alright, let's go. This is very nice. This is actually kind of fun. Okay, she probably could use something like that right about now. More ammo. Thank you. Alright. Get over there! Okay, now what's my job? Cover her? Okay. I still have my own butt to cover, though. Oh, I gotta get down there? Okay, hold on, hold on. Yeah! Nice! Okay, I'm wasting too much ammo here. Keep it going, Sheva, keep it going. Who's doing that to you? I can't see him. I'll get him for you. Nope, nope. I can't get the other one. Crap. Well, I'm out of ammo. Hope you don't need too much more help, Sheva. I gotta go beat her downstairs. Yeah, Oh. Oh, thank you. Whoop. Thank you, Sheva. Yeah! You know, I actually almost don't like that stop ability is in here, because I do like bending down to knife them. Because ammo conservation is fun. Then again, I'm also the kind of guy that likes to inventory manage, and I think I'm in the minority on that one. Oh! Oh! Sheva, hurry! Nice one. Wait, was that the first aid spray? I might have hit onto it just a bit longer. That's why I don't give these to her. Oh, that just straight up missed entirely. Oh, you can still kick. Alright. Wait. Whew! I'm absolutely flustered. That was pretty fun. Gotta hand it to this game. It was pretty fun. What's your... Oh, yeah, you picked that up.
Okay.
I'm sure there's something around here I can use. Like that right there. Whew. Now I know what comes next. The chainsaw guy. Or a chainsaw guy, at least.
Take it.
Okay.
Okay. I don't remember this fight being too hectic. Too astonishingly, Oh, wait, I should have given that to her. Oh god, I'm sorry. Pardon me. Too astonishingly... frustrating? Can I still make use of going up and down stairs? Can I? Can I open it back up once I get on the other side? Okay, it seems I can. Good. Alright, I don't waste too much more time. Let's just start the cutscene. Okay. Alright. Give me a grenade.
Give me a grenade.
Take this.
I asked for one, you give me two.
You grab it.
Roger.
How No, don't use it on yourself. That would be selfish. That would be something that I would do. Is that the fabled double chainsaw? Oh, didn't even use the double chainsaw that I saw earlier. Hey kids, you play RE4, you like chainsaws? Well, here's another chainsaw! Yoo-wee! How quick is this guy? Okay, I got some time. I didn't think it would be that big of an explosion! Alright. Fair enough. And that should take care of most of those guys. How much time do I have to kick this guy's butt? Whee! Back up a bit more. Alright, yeah. Skaboodle. Nuh-uh, ain't gonna happen. Whoop, 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 whoop. Can I run and change weapon? Okay, cool. Kinda. Doing not too bad. Doing not too bad. Whoop, whoop, ah. Dumb question. I can't just run away. Even if I could, I'm going to keep trying to beat him. Oop. I want the gold, I want the treasures. He's gotta drop something. He does have quite a bit of health. Woo! Okay. What the heck was that? Can you show me how to do that? Alright. I have no more explodey barrels. I think I'm doing good. I think I'm doing good. Should have given her that. Oh, damn! Oh, yes! Thank you! He's dead and gone! Finally! Oh, he drops the key. Does he now? Wait, whoa, pardon me? Is there a second one? Okay, I won't bother with him. Go, 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 go. Use the key faster! Don't give me more stuff to pick up. I'll pick up all of it if you don't. Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
That was fun. Woo, that was fun. You know what? After me somewhat dreading coming back to this, I'm glad I came back to this. I mean, unless there comes a game that pisses me off so much, or if there's some ongoing social obligation or ongoing, I don't know, I guess in my case, physical obligation that's ongoing, like my back getting worse, I'm probably going to finish games that I start. About 95% of the time. Like, I've been trying for years to beat, You're gonna use it now, aren't you?
Take it.
Roger.
What if I move? I've been trying for years to beat Shin Megami Tensei 3 Nocturne. Because I respect the hell out of that game. But I've not gotten more than maybe 15 or so hours into the game. Like, after you get to Ikebukuro, I believe it is, and then you fight Dante, a bit further past that is where I stopped. And I love the game, but it is sometimes hard to play. It is pretty grindy. What if I missed a whole lot of stuff? Been busy talking. Okay, no. Huh. Did she used to do that? Because I remember... may he at least his channel, may his channel rest in peace, but there was a guy that I used to watch, Acorn Films, look him up. He used to do these tremendously good game reviews. And he also did some movie projects with his friends and whatnot, but mostly game reviews. And one of the jokes that he had in his review of RE5 was, in RE4, when you have, I forgot the president's daughter, her name. But, you know, when you point the gun at her, she ducks. Like, okay, oh, Ashley, duck. And then cut to RE5, okay, Sheva, duck. And he shoots her and it's like, get cuts to black. Oh. This game still has these? I forgot about that. Did I duck? Or did I dodge? It's hard to tell. I pressed it, I know that much. So I'm dodging as both characters. That's ever so slightly awkward. I mean, whoever heard of getting out of the way, but... It's Ramirez from Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2.
Man, am I glad to see you guys.
Delta Team Captain Stone.
Chris Redfield.
Shiva.
Thanks.
Co-op
Josh.
companion.
I owe you one.
You guys know each other.
I trained under Josh. He taught me everything I know.
Shiva.
Like how to move my mouth in this such a way.
You must continue your search.
That creeps the fuck out of me.
According to the data we retrieved from the hard drive, we believe he has moved on to the mining area. There's more info inside. We'll follow after taking care of business here. And keep your radio handy just in case.
Thanks, Josh.
I like your smile, Josh.
Jill.
Chris, are you all right?
This picture,
It's nothing, right? Yeah, I figured.
let's move out.
We're saving that plot for later. I picked up so many little doobie-doo treasures that, it's hard to believe that all of these will eventually go into a bigger treasure. I think I'm going to end my session here already. It's not because I'm not having fun, it's because actually my stomach is starting to get to me. Topaz, pear. Sapphire, pear. Oh, it's just the size. So, I'll sell a couple of these for now. And if they go somewhere, I'll still have a few. Okay. Beyond that, it's 8,000 to upgrade the critical percentile, right? 8,000. So, you know what? That was my favorite color, though. Probably should have kept that. I do love blue. Okay, upgrade. Wait, does that also? Yeah, also applies to these. Actually, it'd be smart. Well, you get more. You get generally more handgun ammo, so I'll keep upgrading this. I was about to say it'd be smart to have the gun with the highest rate of fire to upgrade the percentile critical, but you generally find more ammo for the handgun anyway. All right. It is now a grade 2 badass weapon. Okay. So, what about her inventory? Oh yeah, she gets the rifle ammo. Okay. That seems about right. Okay. I mean, at least give me the chance to split the ammo from here. Okay, well. I am ready to begin at a later time. Okay, that was fun.
Sheva, do you know where the mines are?
Past the station. Not too far from
Pasta station, that sounds delicious. Ha ha ha, funny joke. Shelby, you're not laughing. Okay, I'll see y'all later.